In this video, we'll show you how to create a fully dynamic navigation bar in Excel. You'll see how clicking the home icon takes you to the home page, where all the data is available in one place. If you click each month from January to December, has separate, fully color-customized data. Let's see how to create this navigation bar. We have data ready. Then go to the Insert tab. Click on Shapes and select the rectangle shape. Draw the shape and resize it by dragging its corners. Go to Shape Fill and change the shape's color. Then go to Shape Outline and select No Outline. Next, go to the Insert tab again. Click Shapes and choose the rounded rectangle shape. Draw the shape and adjust its position. Go to Shape Fill and select the color of your choice. Go to Shape Outline and pick a color that complements the shape. Enter the text January. Change the text color to black, make it bold, and align the text to the center. Hold the Control key and drag the shape to duplicate it. Repeat this same step until all months are created. Rename the duplicated shapes with the remaining months. Repeat the same step and rename all the months. Now select all the shapes while holding the Control key. Go to the Format tab. Click Align, then select Align Left. Click Align again and choose Distribute Vertically. Notice how the shapes are now perfectly aligned. Next, go to Insert, press Icons. Type the icon name. Select the home icon and click Insert. Resize the icon by dragging its corners and reposition it. Select the January shape and press Ctrl+K to link it to the January month sheet. Then click OK. Select the February shape, press Ctrl+K, and link it to the February sheet. Repeat this process for all remaining months from March to December. After linking all the months, select the home icon, press Ctrl+K, and link it to the home page. Now select the range containing the navigation bar and press Ctrl+C to copy. Go to the January sheet and press Ctrl+V to paste. Repeat this step for all remaining sheets from February to December. Next, copy the home icon and paste it for the January month. Repeat the same step for February through December. Open the January sheet, select the January button, and drag it slightly to the right. Go to the Format tab, click Shape Fill, and choose a color that matches the sheet's theme. Then, apply a shape outline color. Next, change the text color. Then, change the home icon color. Click the Next Month's button and move it slightly to the right. You can also apply your table color to match the design. Then, change the shape outline color, change the text color, change the home icon color. Repeat the same steps from March to December. That's it. Your dynamic month-wise navigation bar is now ready. You can easily move between months and return to the home page with a single click. Feel free to customize the colors and layout to match your design. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.